Hello everybody, welcome to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Nvidia drivers on Windows 11. First of all, in short, I will show you how to download it. First of all, from the official site of Nvidia, once the page loads, select the type of Nvidia GPU that you have from the product type drop down menu, and for most people GeForce is the correct product type. You can see GeForce. After that, from the product series drop down menu, select the series that your Nvidia GPU belongs to. You have to select that particular series. After that, select your Nvidia GPU from the product drop down menu. You can see you have to select it, and then from the operating system drop down menu, select Windows 10 64-bit or Windows 11, depending on whether you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11 respectively. You have to select that particular. As I am using Windows 11, I would select Windows 11 from here. After that, from the download type drop down menu, select the type of Nvidia GPU drivers that you want to install on your computer. You can see you can select any of it according to your necessity. After that, you have to select the language. Okay, then you have to select search. After that, there will be release highlights here. You can see then the supported products will be appeared. Then you have to tap on the download, and that's it. That will be downloaded. So you can see there will be another download button. You have to download it. So after downloading, I will show you how to install it. So you can see this is the file that has been downloaded. Now I'll show you how to install it. You have to double click on it or run as administrator, then tap on yes. This is the usual way. Then tap on OK. Then you can see that it's installing. After that, this type of interface will be shown. Okay, you have to agree and continue. So this is the easiest way. Just install it like any other application, then tap on next after selecting express. Okay, that's how it's preparing for install, and that's it. At this point, the Nvidia GPU drivers should be installed. Then you have to tap on the restart now, and that's it. Everything is okay. And if this tutorial helped you, like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.